So here is little Gracie and myself, and we're going to be showing you how to do an easy braided ponytail style. So you're going to start off by taking your comb straight across the hair like that. Don't worry if it's not super neat, it doesn't have to be amazing. Just go straight across. I'm using a little bit of soft wax here just to help with flyaways. And then you're going to secure that ponytail to the left-hand side, nice and tight. Then you're going to do a 3-strand braid. If you were really short on time, you could do a twist braid because it is quicker. But a 3-strand is fine. You don't need to do this too long. You'll see why in a minute. And when you're happy, you just put a little elastic in. You're then going to come to the next part, which is just above the ears. Again, a straight line or as straight as you can, straight across the back and secure that top part out of the way. Bring this section to the right, again, just using your comb, any wax or gel, making sure it's nice and tight and neat and secure with an elastic. You're then going to take hold of that little braid that you did and bring it across. So that's why you don't need it too long. It's only got to be long enough just to connect to that next ponytail. So you'll secure that in place, take out the other elastic, so the end bit of the braid. And at this point, sometimes there's some little hair poking out. So you could use gel, soft wax, water, whatever's easiest. And you're going to do another 3-strand braid. Again, nice and tight and neat. You don't need it too long again. Secure with an elastic like so. Then you come to the top part of the head. So this is where the ponytail is going to sit. So if you wanted it higher, make this last one higher. I wanted to do like a side pony, but you could adjust that and make that kind of go more up if you wanted to. So secure nice and tight. Bring that other one across to meet it, secure it again, and then this bit is optional, but I just wanted a bit more poof to my pony. So I went in with a little bit of back comb, you don't need much, just pushing down at the root, and then taking my comb and just smoothing that out. And then Gracie saw a little ponytail cuff that she liked, so we decided to put that in as well. You could put a ribbon or a bow, or just leave it as it is. And yeah, this is the end result. Gracie's going to do her 360 spin. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.